Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, back, baby, with another video. Whoa, man, I'm about to flow. I done came down in the, I don't damn know, in a photo. That's what I said. AKA, man, I call her red. Got my glove on, don't need my phone. I done came down blowing on the trombone. Yeah, go Q. Y'all ought to see how crazy I look out here freestyling. For real, like, y'all seen the video, but I just look silly as hell. I thank y'all for kicking it with me, man. What's up? So, this is another question I get asked quite a bit. It's about my exhaust, and really, not really my exhaust, my Resonator delete. So, I have a 3.5 Ecoboost engine, and I deleted the resonators on there. And I get a lot of questions lately, like, hey, you have any issues with it? Things like that, etc., etc. So, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about this really briefly, really quick, about my Resonator delete and my experience with it so far. And I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a cold start, and this is gonna be a true cold start. Here we go, see what you sound like. White smoke, there you go. Hear the turbos, man. I'm telling you. This thing sound like a baby diesel, boy. I'm telling y'all. Somebody asked me this. How do you cut it off? It's easy. To cut the automatic start, just hit the button twice again, and it cuts off. I just thought I'd cover that. Somebody asked me in the video, like, hey, how you cut it off with the key? Yeah, you just press it again. With me having a 3.5 Ecoboost, I have not found anything that I like that's gonna make the truck now not sound ricey. That ricey sound. I just didn't. So my guy, what was his name? Eric? Was it Eric Martinez? He's down in San Antonio, Houston. He hit me up like, hey bro, delete your resonators. And he sent me a clip. I love the way it sounds, so I went and got mine done. And guys, it's only gonna cost you about $50 to $60 to get done. And honestly, this is probably the furthest I'm gonna go with my exhaust. I'm just not gonna do anything else to it, because the Ecoboost engines just don't, to me, I mean, I have heard some good setups, but to me personally, I just don't wanna go that route. I just like this. I'll go ahead and give y'all a few revs too, so y'all can kind of hear the exhaust. So you just heard during startup, so let's go ahead and hear some revs, like when I'm actually with driving, what it sounds like. Alright guys, I hope y'all was able to hear that. I love the way the turbos, bro, the way they sound. I'm sure y'all heard the whistle, the turbos and all that. Shit sounds good, bro, I'm telling you. The thing I like about the Resonator delete, I had a Flowmaster 40 series, a 50 series on my Ram, and you kind of got a quite little drone in the cab. With the Resonator delete, guys, you get no drone in the cab, like zero. The only time you're gonna hear it is, like I said, one, under cold starts, just starting the vehicle up when you first started. Two, at very low speeds. I'm talking about 5-10 miles an hour. When you're on the accelerator, just a tad, you'll hear like the little grumble. And then maybe at wide open throttle, you might hear it from the outside, but you won't hear it from the inside. Like, you won't. It's not that set up. As far as like reliability issues or anything like that with getting my resonators deleted, I have not had any issues with me getting my resonators deleted. It has not thrown any codes, no leaks, and I passed inspection. Now, I understand in some states this is illegal to delete your resonators. In the state of Texas, it's legal, and yes, it passed inspection, as I said. So, I have not encountered any issues. Now, I will say, one of you all, if you're watching this video, you did write me, I think it was on Instagram, in the comments, you said, hey, you know, you did the VTA mod and the Resonator delete, you said a month later your check engine light came on. Guys, I mean, honestly, I don't know. I have not had any issues, but just know, you know, every time you do something somebody else do, you may not have the same outcome as them. There's just ways things work sometimes. You know, you just like, hey, he did the exact same thing, but his outcome completely different. It's just life. That's just how stuff goes. But I can say with my Resonator delete, guys, I have not had any issues with it. And honestly, for $50, $60, mine was $50, but most people charge about $67 to cut that off, man. They just put a pipe there, just a steel pipe, straight pipe, and yeah, I have no issues. And for that price, I think it's probably like the best thing you can do to the 3.5 Ecoboost. It's been a year, almost a year, since I did my resonators, and I have not had any issues with it. So hopefully that helps some of y'all out. That's all I got. Catch y'all next one. Peace.